Hello, alright, so I thought I should give you a demo for our devices module, that how does it work. By default, RepairBuddy's devices module is set for mobile phone repair shops, but let's say you are repairing the cars, then obviously you will need different options here than available options. So in that case, what you can do from settings, you can just change device to models, manufacturer, types, like this. And if you need more fields like year, color, reading, you can add fields like this, and you will see that everything, types, brands and devices here, they will be changed, and also here. So you can then use the RepairBuddy for your car repair shop. And similarly, if you are repairing the jewelry, or you are repairing computers, or you are repairing bikes, or whatever, RepairBuddy can help you to customize itself according to your needs. And here you can change these default evaluation items, which are for pre-repair evaluation and post-repair evaluation according to your business needs. Like if you are repairing the cars, then you can see engine turns on or whatever. But once you have changed these things, you can start using it. And here how you can add a device, just select a device from drop down, enter its IMEI number, if it's have a pin, device not not working, model if they have. This is how you can add a device to a job. And if a device does not exist in this list, you can easily just select the brand here, the type here, and enter device name, and it will start appearing here. Once you have added device, now you can do its pre-repair evaluation, like it's working, it's not working, it's working, it's not working. So pre and post evaluation report like this will help you and your customer to understand what was the condition of device before repair and what is the condition of device after repair. And this is not just phone specific, you can make it for any type of repair business, like computer, cars, bikes, electronics, home appliances, everything, whatever you repair. These things are highly customizable. As you can see, this is a single device page. Single device page is very helpful for SEO of your website, that when Google or the other chatbots, AI apps will see on your website that you are also repairing this device and thousands other devices, they will be able to see the description here, which you will of course add in it. I have not added it yet. These are demo devices. And the single device page is very helpful when you are repairing. Let me show you an example. For example, as you can see, here are smartphones, and of course you will add everything as per your website, but right now we don't have in our demo. So this is how you can add devices. And the single device page or the single brand page like this, let's say you are repairing Apple, you can go to Apple repair page, and that page will list everything related to Apple repair, which will be very good for your SEO, and customers can quickly book an Apple device like this, you can see. So this is how you can make your website more and more SEO friendly. And the pre and post evaluation of devices will help you to reduce the disputes with your customers. And single device page, I can't find right now, but it's okay. And you can add as many devices as you want, and you can customize RepairBuddy to any business you operate, from phone repair to shoe repair or anything. So let me know if you have any questions, and I can explain you very well that how you can customize and use RepairBuddy for your repair business. Thank you.